Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. One more set in silver paint, teak wood, 7-seater with a nice big table and 2 side tables. This one is going to US along with some other stuff, a big nice dining table and some more items that I'll be showing you in further videos. First, this set. This is a regular size unit. A 3-seater is 78 inches outer, 6.5 feet. The back height is 4 feet and front to back this is 28 inches, a little less than 2.5 feet. The 2-seater is 5 feet outer, rest is same, 28 and 4 feet high. Then we have 2 chairs. The outer size is 3 feet, 28 inches and the height again is 48 inches. The table we have is 42 inches outer, it's a square size and a nice hard top table. And along with the set we have 2 side tables. The size is 30 inches outer and 18 inches width. It's a little oval shape from the corners. This is in teak wood and silver paint, as you can see. Nice color if you have such different color interiors. Though I have shown you antique gold a lot of times, but this also looks very nice when you have a little different kind of interiors in your place. About the cushion, use 40 density cushion. That's not too hard, not too soft, and when you sit on it, it gives you a comfortable feeling. The back remains quite straight and you don't feel like you get inside the unit completely. What happens is a lot of people use memory foam and very soft kind of foam. In that, the cushion gets very soft. So when you sit on it, you get right inside the unit, and at the time of getting up, there is a lot of pressure on the knees. Here, when you are sitting, there's no pressure on the knees and you are almost on the similar level. So it's very easy to get up. There's no pressure on the back or the knees also, as compared to the soft kind of sofa sets. This is a kind of royal setup. When we talk about the royal setup, we are not going for too much comfort, because too much comfort requires all cushioning everywhere. And if you're looking for too much comfort, you can rather go for a bean bag than this kind of set, because these are majorly for the looks, the interiors and the visibility. So if we try to get more comfortable, probably we have to change the design a lot, and that may not be that kind of royalty as we have right now. About the colors, the fabrics, we provide the 100% choice there. You like anything, you like a particular color, you like the change in fabric, we can do that. You want less number of seats or more number of seats, you want to add a divan or a settee in front of it, we can do that. You want a smaller table, bigger table, carved top table, and open top table, again your choice. Anywhere in India required, we can deliver there. Out of India, we are sending to most of the places, as this one is also going to US. Side tables, you don't like this one, we can get you some other design. Or any changes, we provide 100% customization, that is possible. If particular thing is not available, we cannot do anything, but yes, we can try it. For prices, you can contact us or you can visit our website aarsunwoods.com. There's a particular section for sofa sets, you can check the designs there. There are hundreds of original designs that we have created. We have more than 535 videos on YouTube now. So a lot of stuff to show you the variety, the work, the kind of designs we are making, and thereon you can select what you like. Hope you like it. This is our art done by hand. The painting, the artwork, the carving, everything is handwork. And this is the work that we are doing for the past more than 35 years. If you have any suggestions, any comments, you're most welcome. Please let us know. Any questions, you can drop in a message. We'll get in touch. Let us know how we did. Thank you so much.